Intro Unit, pages 2 and 3. 1. Listen and discuss.
Rocking chairs, where? Usually, people expect to see them on front porches, living rooms, bedrooms, cozy places where one is likely to have the time to relax. One of the last places where you'd expect to see rocking chairs is a busy airport, right? Wrong. Rocking chairs have caught on as a special touch in about 40 airports in the U.S. The trend started in 1997 at an international airport that was hosting a photography exhibit called Porch Sitting. There were photos of porches with rocking chairs, with actual rocking chairs placed in front of the photos as props. When the exhibit was over and the rocking chairs were being removed, people started protesting. So the airport manager was quick to respond. He kept the chairs and ordered more. From then on, rocking chairs spread as a trend to more airports. Is Europa similar to Earth? A reprocessed high-resolution photo of Jupiter's moon, Europa, was released in 2014, showing the largest proportion of the satellite's surface. Scientists claim that there is water underneath Europa's icy shell that could host life under the right conditions. This has provided an additional incentive to push forward with the exploration of this amazingly colorful moon. A new study also suggests that there are big plates of ice sliding over and under each other within Europa's shell. This effectively means that the Earth is not the only solar system body that possesses plate tectonics, as was formerly believed. Did you know that? Safety glass, which is widely used in windshields, safety goggles, and more, was invented by accident over a century ago. In the early 1900s, a French scientist accidentally knocked a glass flask off his desk. The flask fell to the floor, but only cracked instead of shattering into pieces. Having inspected the broken flask, he realized that it had contained plastic cellulose nitrate, which had coated the glass and prevented it from shattering upon impact. And did you know that? The first synthetic dye was accidentally created in 1856 by William Perkin, an 18-year-old chemist. He was carrying out an experiment in search of a cure for malaria when it all went very wrong, resulting in a murky mess in the petri dish. Upon closer examination, William noticed a brilliant color radiating from the petri dish. It was the beginning of synthetic dyes that would change the world of fashion and manufacturing forever. Would you gossip about a friend? Gossip and rumors can destroy a young person's self-confidence and affect their self-esteem. It can also lead to serious conditions such as depression, anxiety, and eating disorders. Betraying the trust of a friend by talking behind their back reflects very badly on the person gossiping. People instantly assume that if one is capable of gossiping about a friend, then he or she is capable of doing it about anyone and keep their distance. Talking about a friend with negative intent does not make one stand out or help him or her become more popular. It is the surest way of isolating oneself and gradually losing one's friends altogether.